taking you through what we have built currently, and we are like solving the food insecurity that is currently going around, and accessibility for food and other stuff that we trying to like making blockchain available for users, for local farmers, and for other consumers as well as manufacturer, which help us to grow, which allows like promote NEro chain account abstraction and all that entails. So here we have a page that we grant rule for farmer. This page you can actually grant rule for farmers. It's only operated by an admin. So currently we're looking for how we what's it called? Like it's restricted currently, but there are some error that we just need to cop, like displaying it. So that's and they're almost done. So a farmer can actually like get through by the admin here. So let's just wait for transaction to be signed. So yeah, we have sponsored cars here. So let's just go. Currently, this is what we want to do since it's an admin platform. This is what we currently want to do. Same with all farmers. Anything that farmer is doing on this platform, we want to make that happen. So when they want to like withdraw, so that's when we get our we like get back the payments, the little charges that we are getting from every items they are selling. So transaction completed. So yeah, we can actually view it on blockchain, but for this project, for the what was it called, for fast demo of this project. So yeah, we can have anything that we want to have, any product, breadfruit. This is a breadfruit for our purpose. So how much are we selling? The rate is, let's say, just 10, $1 or anything. How many quantity we have? Let's say 23. We have quantity. So image here, I'm just going to put random image for now. So everything is actually currently saving to IPFX because we are trying to look how we can maximize the gas. It's only the quantity that is currently updated on the blockchain, because we want to like be able to track a quantity as well and the price. So every other thing related to image, related to names, everything is currently on IPFX, which help us to like maximize the gas. So we have sponsored gas here, so same as not paying anything as well. So you want to sign the transaction. So without that granting rule at first, we can actually add the products because nobody is a farmer directly. So you need to be able to like grant get rule. So for that, we currently looking at a form page that people will be filling on stuff. Oh, sorry, profile. This was supposed to be a product page currently, so it's not something. Currently, we have one product. Let's try to add another product. Tomato. I think the network is not that good. That's why it's not fetching the concise. Let's try to add one more product to check. Currently, there is no error. We're not facing any error. So let's just check. Just add. So I think there's a little this thing in our back end, so we try to like fix that. So we have the purchase products, the sold out if the product is out of stock. Currently, the reason why we're having this is that the address that created this is going to we're going to refactor it. The address that created this particular is the one connected to the tab, so that's why we have this update product. So we like it can have we want to have a place that okay they can simply update the quantity of the product. So in case let's say this is update the quantity of the products, so let's say we like want to update to like let's say 25. So let's just press update here. So we can see that it's only want to update the quantity of the product. So we'll fix this UI stuff here. So let's just wait for it to like update. So in case there's the order is not like the order is moving faster than expected, and they still have like, or maybe they just produce series of any other thing there, so we can actually have it like that. So let me just confirm. I think my counting was wrong in our smart contract, so we try to fix that as well. So let's see how it's going to be. Let's see how it's going to look like. So yes, the transaction is completed. Let's try to like wait for it to get pulled up or refreshed. So you don't actually need to refresh. So yeah, it's currently updated, and because the A is not well connected yet, so that's why we are still seeing sold out or nothing here or out of stock. We can simply make it out of stock if we want to make the product out of stock. Okay, currently we are not selling, so it will go back to zero. So that's on this aspect, and we have the other page which is we are currently working on presently, and so you can make it out of stock. So when it's out of stock, everything no button is going to work. So that's why we're having processing here. So let's just sign the transaction as well. So we've improved our smart contract as well to like able to like so you can simply refresh. Let's see the quantity. Let's see the number of quantity that we have. So currently we're having zero quantity, so nobody can do anything here. Like there's no purchase, there's no anything. But for the sake of this, we would like I want to update again because uh, it's currently so that so we need to update again. Let's just update like 24. sorry. So yes, just for the sake of this thing to load fast, that's why we are currently trying to refresh every time. So we don't want to waste much time. And I don't think we have much USDT here. Purchase is currently working, but apparently with the accounts we are connected to, it might not work. The reason is being that we are only farmer. No, we only have farmer role on the account. We don't have other roles on the account. So we don't want to like be granting one. We just want one role per account. So that will help us like monitors the manufacturer and the consumer as well. So so it's going to fail actually. So thank you.